Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one also has the luxury package, which is going to give you the luxury exterior and interior look. Mercedes emblem in the front of the hood. 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Ambient lighting. E300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate. We got a clean set of floor mats. Power liftgate. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burl walnut trim. Burmeister sound system. Heated seats. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Pedal shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Climate controls. Hard keys for a media display. Glass black center console. NFC wireless charging. Cup holders. Touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. Dynamic select for our different driving patterns. This E-Class has 39,125 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.